Hello everybody, and welcome back. Today is a big day. 4.2 just released. At the time of recording this, it's been released for 1 hour exactly. However, I have already been playing with these features in the beta releases, and today I want to give a quick breakdown of my 5 favorite new features in Godot 4.2. Of course, there's a lot more to this update, so definitely read through the blog post, first link in the description. But now let's get into my 5 favorite new features in Godot 4.2. AMD FSR 2.2 makes its way to Godot 4.2. For those of you that don't know, FSR is an upscaling technique made by AMD, but it works on all GPU vendors, so it's not AMD specific, but allows you to render your game at a lower resolution and then upscale it to the desired resolution. This can drastically increase performance, and it looks really good compared to the other upscaling abilities of Godot. The blog post came with this beautiful demo of this car in a garage where you can tweak the upscaling settings to see the effects on your own hardware. Definitely give it a download and see how it works on your system. A lot of fun to play around with. A great addition to Godot, and thank you to Dario Samo for the implementation. Next up is one for file organization. I personally really like this one. So thanks to Lucian, we can now color code our folders within Godot. I know this isn't some groundbreaking new feature, but it helps a lot with organization and making your projects look neat. I really love some nice file organization within my projects, so this could really help. So thanks again to Lucian for the implementation. The third feature I want to talk about is the ability to bake 2D Nav Meshes. If you watch my every Godot Node explained video, you'll have noticed that for 3D Nav Meshing, we've had this great tool where you could just click Bake Nav Mesh and it would look at the surfaces of your scene and create a Nav Mesh accordingly. This feature was not yet implemented for 2D scenes, but with this update, it's here. So you can easily create your scenes and generate Nav Meshes for your AI or navigation agents to traverse. I personally use OnScreen Gizmos a lot in Godot, and they have bothered me for quite a while. Before, when we used to extend box-shaped gizmos in Godot, they used to do this symmetrical thing where you would pull out one side and the other side would symmetrically also change size. It's almost never what you want, and it would be very annoying that you have to resize and move the object. But right now in 4.2 they changed it so only the side that you're trying to manipulate will be manipulated. I know it's another small feature, but these little quality of life things are what make Godot such a usable and fun engine. And my last favorite feature is another quality of life / organization feature, and it's the introduction of code regions. This allows you to create regions within your code using comments that you can easily collapse and manage. This is great for keeping big scripts readable and organized, and they also updated the comment out feature. I'm not sure a lot of people use this feature, but I use it a lot. Basically by pressing Ctrl K, you can comment out a piece of code that you've selected, and before it used to put these hashtags all the way at the beginning of the line, and now they work in a much more predictable and logical way. So yeah, those are my favorite new features in Godot 4.2. I know they're not the most groundbreaking ones in the updates, but to me from a usability standpoint, it's just so nice to see that all these quality of life features come in, making Godot feel even more polished and like a premium piece of software, which it deserves to be. But yeah, read through the blog, see all the new features, play around with them. Definitely let me know down below what features are your favorite. And until next time, I've been Lucky, and this has been my favorite features in Godot 4.2. See you next time. Bye.